Alright, welcome on YouTube. You know it's a boy, Trade by Laden, and today video, I'm gonna just run through like how we trade, how I trade A.P.A strategy. So this is just like a little run through breakdown video of how to trade the A.P.A strategy. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to join my A.P.A strategy group on Telegram, you can always click the link in the description or in the comment section to join my VIP group, which is my VIP group right here. We got 24 members in the VIP group, and the free group we got 74 members, and we talk about a lot of breakdowns and things like that. You know me? So if you want to join that, you can always DM me, and always text me on Telegram. Click the link in the bio and join the Telegram group, and text me if you want to join the VIP group. So alright, let's break down this setup right here on VIX tennis. Let me zoom it in like that so you guys can see everything. Alright, so boom, let me clear off everything. So from the get-go, we start when you're trading the A.P.A strategy, we start from the daily time frame. So we look and see what the daily did, then we can proceed on taking our trade or look where we want to take a trade, if we want to take a buy trade or a sell trade. So on the daily time frame right there, we see that the market was giving higher highs and higher lows in this region, but over here it was giving lower highs and lower lows. So it was in a downtrend and changed to an uptrend. So when it was in a downtrend, it leaves structures that didn't get retested, right? So right here, after batch as I look, I can see a structure retest right there. So when market retest the structure on the daily time frame, it reject it. So normally what we do when the market reject a daily structure, we wait on the other day to be closed and get the confirmation candle that the market want to go down. So on this right here, we get this engulfing candle right here, that engulf this daily candle, this previous day candle. So we get this engulfing candle. So within this engulfing candle is where we're gonna look for market to give us an entry. Alright, so boom, we jump from a daily time frame to a 4-hour time frame, because no, let me do this first. So we mark this engulfing candle. We're gonna mark this engulfing candle, boom, and then we jump to a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, what we do is we're gonna look for a sell setup, right? Because we know that the market is going down. So we're gonna look for the market for a sell setup, and we're gonna look for structures that the market can react to off the batch of this, you know. So right off the get-go, before price even make this price action, I would have marked it this structure retest right here on the 4-hour. I marked it this structure retest here on the 4-hour right there. And I did, I'm not gonna lie, when I mark it out, I did mark this one on the 1 hour too. So this one will be like a minimized one. So this right here would have been that one, but as I could see, the price react to the 4-hour one. So when price react to our 4-hour structure retest, what we normally did is I personally use the 5 minute as my entry time frame. So if I'm gonna enter this time frame, if I was when you're watching this, I would have just jumped straight to my 5 minute time frame and see that price react to have it. I wrote 2 times price react to have it, to be honest, 1 time and 2 times right here. So this was the one that we would have seen right here, and we use our entries. We use reversal candlestick for our entry. So if you know reversal candlestick, you know that engulfing, pin bar, morning star, whatever reversal candlestick that you guys study and know, we use that as our confirmation to enter a sell market. So right off the bat right here, we got this engulfing candlestick right there. So this would have been our entry right there for a short position right there. So would have been the right after that 5 minute engulfing candle right there, and stop loss few pips above that engulfing candlestick right here. And honestly, would have targeted structures. And I say I would have targeted structures. So this probably would have smashed TP down and get a 1 to 4 already, because I targeted this 5-minute structure would have been like a full TP. In a sense, these would be like TP1 would have smashed right there, TP2, and then full TP would have been this one right here. But say we want to swing it, we could swing it come all the way down here, right? So we could have do that, swing it, because with the A.P.A strategy, it works well with both swing trade, and it works well with scalping trade. So with this sense, you see the momentum that this market is pushing. You could have do a swing trade. You could have even swing it come all the way down here. So the market could have swing all the way come down to this structure retest zone right down here. So right here, half the batch could have been like a full swing TP right there. So you'd have targeted at 1 to 11, and that is the advantage of the A.P.A strategy. It gives you a good risk to reward ratio. So for example, if you was supposed to look for if it, for example, sorry, I got distracted, I got a message in the group. But yeah, if for example, if we was supposed to look at the 1 minute entry time frame, would have been like enter from right here, if I'm gonna be honest. Somewhere right around here, or entry would have been, you see me? So we would have get that entry around here, and that would have been a 1 to 21 risk to reward ratio. But I personally like the 5 minute entry time frame because it gives us a nice entry. And what we could do, say we miss that entry, right? Say boom, I delete off that, and we miss this entry. We have a few structures that we can enter. We could have entered back off if we got this. Would have marked this structure right there. I would have marked this break and retest structure right there. And as you could see, that price respect this one, and we could have entered off this break and retest structure right there. But normally when you enter off a break and retest structure, we don't normally look for confirmation, honestly. We can just enter, especially if we already get the confirmation that the market is going down with us. We can enter blindly and say then price is going to go down. And we could have targeted this zone right here to add a little bit. That's a 1 to 5 right there. And we could have, boom, targeted back this zone down here and now say, alright, that's a 1 to 12. So you see, you could have caught 2 trades in one right there. Is it? You could have caught 2 trades in one right there. So it's an easy strategy. I would say it's an easy strategy. The best way to learn the strategy is if you know market structure. So as long as you know when market is doing this, making higher highs and higher lows, you can understand. You can understand the strategy. And when it's making this lower highs and lower lows, you can understand this strategy. It's so easy when you know market structure. So this strategy doesn't need any indicators. It don't need any you don't need no form of Fibonacci. You don't need nothing like that. You just need to know market structure, the basic market structures, and know candlestick pattern. So if you know those stuff, you can't go wrong with trading the A.P.A strategy. So that's an easy breakdown of that trade right there. So we start from the, as I said, we start from the daily, go right back to our entry time frame. So we can jump straight from the 4 hour within this trade, and just jump straight from the 4 hour go straight to our entry time frame, which is the 5 minute. And when we see price approaches 5 minutes and we get a reversal candlestick pattern like this engulfing candle, we'll have entered straight after engulfing candle for a sell. Stop loss a few pips above the engulfing candle, and that would have been little to no drawdown. Would have been in a nice profit right there. Nice trade profit right there. So if you're interested in learning, this is a quick run through. I'm gonna make some more videos about the basic trading knowledge and stuff like that. So if you're interested in learning how to trade the A.P.A strategy, as I said before, you can always click the link in my bio, in the description, or in the bio. See, I'm gonna put it in the bio. Click the link in the description, and you can click the link to join my Telegram group. And when you join the free group, you can always text me on Telegram to join the VIP group to get access to the VIP group. Or I'm gonna just take me, or you can use the link. If you don't have a derivative account, you can use the link in my bio also to open a derivative account, or you can leave a comment on the video and leave any social media information you want to leave so I could contact you. I'm not gonna try, just DM, and I got proof of everything I do. So as I said, my group is right here, and we got members, we have active members in the group. Was a good trade man, and see, just did a pretty wrong zone. So it's we got members in the group that they are active and they are learning. So this was a VIX 10 setup that we did last night too, and this was the before the VIX 10, and this is after the VIX 10, and this is a VIX 25 that we are anticipating market to pull back towards retest zone or structure retest zone and sell off. So, and we do live classes too, let me not forget that. So you see, we do live classes, and I send the screen recording of the live classes in the group. So everything we do, we try to record it and make sure that everyone is on the same level and everything goes smooth and natural. All right, so peace out, and make sure you join the Telegram group and like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. All right.